What is the place of supply of service for admission of sporting event? So admission of sporting event, what do you mean? So some sporting event is happening, for that admission is taking place. So place of business is the event where the sporting event is happening. So the admission taken place. So is there an online ticket or offline ticket? Even though it's online ticket, the place of business, place where the sporting event is happening. If it has been live telecast, what will happen? If been live telecast, then the location of the viewer. So legal base section 12 subsection 6 of IGST Act 2017 provides that the place of supply of service provided by way of admission to cultural, artistic, sporting, scientific, education, and entertainment events or amusement parks or any other place or services or ancillary thereto shall be the place where the event is actually held and where the park or such other place is located. In the services related to the admission to the sporting event shall be a location where the event is actually held. Example, the Book Ticket Private Limited, a company based on Bangalore providing online ticket service for admission to various events. A selling of online ticket for IPL tournaments to be held across India. Then the place of supply of service for admission of such a cricket match shall be location where the match is actually being played. Super. So always a location of the game where it's happening, that is the location of business. If even watched online, that is a different case. You watched online is the viewer paying subscription for watching this video. Even though the event is happening in any stadium all over India, it has been telecasted by broadcasting channel that their right has been issued. So it is totally different clause based upon the registered person or non registered location of the address of the person who is using to watch this location. Residential address, that is the address or the proof of address that he giving in the building address will be considered as a place of business in case of online watching the video of a live streaming of this game. Thank you.